Or
Ghosts.
Okay.
Oh, I was on the floor.
Ryan, you streaming?
No. James.
Yeah, I am too.
Don't. Already, it's like 2 seconds in. I'm already gonna get like cancelled.
Yeah.
What are we doing, lads? Oh,
Gay things.
why am I afraid that Jim's already got like the fucking blowtorch? And he's already
Oh,
burning
okay.
the
So
floor.
you can only cook like so many
Huh?
things at once.
Well, yeah, because what's it called it? Wait, John,
Why is my FPS so high?
did you check out the entire menu by the way? Because if you did press all we have is like
Ah.
3 dishes we can make.
And now you tell me, huh?
You
I
guys see
did
what
tell
I'm
you
doing?
earlier. No, can you like use the
Well,
fire
shit.
extinguisher?
But we got a few orders, so
We'll do these and then we'll
I
we'll
can't
jump
see
off
the
and then we'll
stuff
try and do it
you
again.
guys are doing.
Oh.
Take trout.
you don't see it on the board.
Well, remember, lads, this is in
I,
beta, so
I
you
see
know.
the meals you guys are, what you
Oh,
want to
got a
make.
chopping board. Oh, actually, we got a few chopping boards. Nice. We can all do our own
Yeah,
stuff.
I swear
Okay.
so it steals. By the way, the middle areas like where you can see like what people are putting down. I swear though, if someone steals the trout, just put on this plate.
Black pepper. Where's the black pepper?
No, I can't. I can steal the plate.
Oh, oh, okay, okay. I thought you stole it. I was gonna. I swear to God.
Where's the?
Don't.
I have one
James.
purpose in life.
I found a black pepper. It's on top shelf.
Oh, you got it.
Middle area.
They fixed it.
Prime
No.
and dill.
Yes. Time. I don't really have that much time left on Earth. That is the most dad joke
God,
thing I think I've said all day.
I hate how this is like organized. I never have my kitchen like this.
What, even in your life?
No, like
What a
well, like
holly
the service.
jolly Christmas.
James.
It's November.
James, it's November. Fucking
Oh,
stop. Cameron, no. I need time.
Who set the timer?
Where's the dried time?
Where's the lamb sauce?
I am about to just start screaming
Where's
that
the
in a minute.
lamb sauce?
Where's the lamb sauce?
Of it.
Die.
Bitch.
Oh,
Anyone
that's
have
the one.
die? Like the not die. Dill.
Dildo.
No. Does anyone have dried time?
You guys gotta complete this faster than me, because I have no clue what the fuck.
I don't know where the time is.
There's no timer.
No, time is in like, dry time.
Oh, wait a minute. I got it. I put it in your section.
Alright.
I am a fucking. Oh, I can see the outlines of stuff.
Yeah, that's why I
but
can
you
see
don't
as well.
see the physical item.
That's
There it is. That's what I want. The
Infantry.
trout.
allspice. If I can't find the time, I swear there was going to use some allspice.
It's all the same thing.
Oops, no. Oh, I found the time.
Yeah, I said I placed it down like on one of the
No,
fins.
I have to find it myself because when you place it down, it doesn't show.
Okay, 90 seconds. Season with force right.
Yeah, we're
Okay.
all in individual fucking worlds.
Dill, dried, here.
Time.
Wait.
Here's the dill.
Lemon.
I'm pretty sure that missed most of the fucking trout, but oh well.
5.
It's just going to become,
Okay.
it's going to become scuffed if like someone burns down the kitchen now.
But black
bacon tray.
pepper and drill.
Does anyone have a bacon tray?
Yeah.
Oh, they're just on the side.
Game.
I have everything set up way beforehand.
I can't remember how to do these, like the lemon slices. I forgot how to do them, so I kind of just did it like this.
You
I'm not
get
sure.
a knife.
Is
Oh
it-
yeah, I got
is it
that
a
part.
timer? 1 sec. 90 seconds of the timer, right?
90 seconds on time. Huh?
96 big.
I have 4.
Horseradish.
Wait, would 90 minutes be. Wait, 90 seconds is. Wait, so 60. 78. Oh, 1 minute.
There we go.
Where's the drill?
Drill. You mean dill or? I put
Yes,
in
I know
but
one.
yeah,
Don't worry.
but the chopping board.
I hate the fact that I can't see it on your world. I just see this outline.
I feel like I'm going to pull this trout. It's just going to be looking like it's been nuked.
Personally, it's okay. Me.
Like, I'm going to open this oven when it's done. It's going to look like the trout has just been, like, put into a.
Oh yeah,
what's
you
it,
guys
like,
actually
a
have
kiln.
good ovens, don't you?
What do you mean in real life? Because my oven in real life just fucking conks out every 2 seconds.
No, I'm all about in-game. Hey man, fuck you.
Wait, you opened it? Oh no, you've opened it. It doesn't appear on my screen that you've opened it. It just looks like you just like try to like magically shove it in.
That's one done.
So my
Oh,
ball
nice.
one is on fire.
John,
Yeah.
just microwave it.
No, I cooked it.
I swear down.
Yeah, John's smarter than us. He can do things faster.
Well, yeah, because he literally works a job as a fucking restaurant.
Yeah, I'm master of this game, and also quite literally a chef.
You literally have a chef in your life as well.
Why did the kitchen explode?
What do you mean
Why is
explode?
everything blown up?
No, that was sweet. Don't tell me when, like, don't tell me.
It's gone.
I get.
It's all gone.
Different game. My face blasted by like intense heat.
It's blown up.
Oh wait, there's fire extinguishers in the corner. I wonder if I can cut this fish.
I can
You
grab
can.
the fish though. That's like probably burn off.
I can? Oh, that's weird. I don't know how I feel about that.
Oh no. 90 seconds season of horseradish.
Oh shit, I need
Horseradish dried.
time.
Where's the horseradish, lads?
Oh, I got it by me at the moment, sorry.
I have to find in the spice pile. I found it. Don't worry. 5 grams.
Oh, this is so weird.
Shit. I may have overdone the whole.
Is that bread?
Spice.
Oh, there's burger buns. Huh. Nice. Don't think I've noticed those before. Do.
What?
Into
Oh,
quarters.
Basically,
I am smart.
yes, because that fits on the plate. Parsley, sage.
Yeah, we just
sage.
grabbed the trout. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's totally okay. Burn your hands off.
You can't grab the tray because
Let's
it's
see,
all
instead of-
gone.
I mean, how much is the
Let me just
parsley weigh?
squeeze you on.
2 grams. Oh, I need 2 more bits of parsley. I feel like we're sneeze.
Dude, I wish I had parsley.
You can't
Parsley's
break the
gone.
plates.
Yeah, probably because someone has like a. Oh wait, it's probably because you got the skin of big unbreakable plates.
That sucks.
You can turn them off and send it. Big trout. Please have a good review. Oh, I got 4.5 stars. The trout is 100%.
Hey, I got 8 stars.
The technical rating was 50. Wait, what do you mean you went fucking lemon? Wait, was it
Here we
supposed to
go.
be lemon? There was no lemon on there.
Yeah, so it's salmon. I got 5 stars.
Joe, what are you cutting? Because I can hear you cutting, but I can't see cutting what you're cutting.
Potatoes.
Are you making like potato soup or something?
Shit. Oh, yep, that's done.
Oh, it's coming through now. Make a steak with French fries. I'm gonna put my order through now.
Wait, my order came through on Vine's game.
Yeah. I'm gonna make some baked cod. That's why I ordered a baked cod.
Oh well, well as the stroke sister, I'm gonna leave that on the side.
Tuna.
Baked cod.
Steak.
Tuna has it
Hey,
all.
fuck off my
Tuna
desk.
has it all. Do 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 do.
Yes,
do,
chef.
do, do, do.
Fuck off, yeah.
Oh, what is this? The bear now? Yes,
Salt.
chef.
It's fucking what's called real C-Tech Hell's
That's
Kitchen.
sugar.
Were you about to put sugar on like a fucking on a piece of fish, my guy? Oh wait, no, you're
Don't
doing.
know.
Wait, what's
Yes. No, I'm doing salt.
Oh yeah, I forgot you don't do what I'm doing.
Starts. We don't need starts. It's
I
not the
need salt.
salt.
I found the salt. I'm taking the salt.
My salt is gone.
You probably thrown it somewhere and forgot we put it.
It's not.
I have an
It's not
idea.
thrown, Ryan.
Black pepper.
It's
You've
Hey,
misplaced it.
how do I reset the world on my screen? Because it's all blown up.
Don't think you can. What? How have you blown it all up? You just put a propane can somewhere, like, just gone. Yes.
I
This'll work.
moved one propane can. It became an IED. I moved
Oh,
it away
fuck.
from the shelf and
Right,
it
so is
became
it-
an IED.
This looks like there's black mold growing on the fucking.
Oh, there she
cod.
is.
Boil wine.
One sec.
Oh, what's it? Yes.
Black pepper? Black pepper. Fry each side. Got it.
Oh fuck, press the button.
Soy.
No, not the band. Before anyone asks.
Oh, we got the fucking nice one. I love the nice one.
Oh, a little bit of barbecue. There
Bell
we go.
pepper. Powder. Oh, I thought it would make bell pepper. I was with where do you find bell peppers? Bell pepper powder. I just need some
Ignore the fin on the bottom.
I need. I don't want to say that, but I need cumin powder. Basically, say it. Where's a cumin?
You need cum powder.
Fuck's sakes. I need expletive here powder. 5 grams of this.
Brian, try this. Oh, wait a
What?
minute. Let me get a spoon so you can try it.
You spoon feeding me like potatoes.
Look.
He's IRL. Fucking.
I feel like I'm going to have like,
Try
a knock
this.
on my door. It's going to come with me with like, a fucking spoonful of potato. What?
This, like, that's in the jar.
Nah.
Why? Where is it?
You said it's in a jar, and the first thing I came to mind was what's it called it?
No, it's not
It's
that.
cum.
No, you can taste where it is, but like,
James, you can't say it's that. Like you need to say expletive here.
no,
Like,
it's
know.
not cum.
Fuck's sakes, can we all stop saying the fucking?
Stop
Can we all
spatula.
stop saying that?
It's not cum. I made vodka.
Who is
Oh, you mean-
spatuling cod on my spatula?
Yes.
And why is there fire in the corner? Like it's...
I made vodka.
You made voddy. Nice.
Yes.
So, put it on the goddamn. There we go.
I'm a fucking idiot. I was just standing here thinking the fucking oven was on. Like the fire was on, just like just stood like, yeah, it's working. No, it wasn't even fucking on.
Do you think this will work?
This is why people don't hire
What?
me.
No.
This is why people don't hire me to work at restaurants. Exactly that.
Season with salt, then cut. Why would you season with salt first, then cut?
You'll get into the
Whoops.
what's it called, the areas that you cut.
Whoops.
You fucking cut for.
Hey.
Actually, this bucket. I have an idea.
I don't like when John has an idea.
I'm cutting these potatoes
I
fast
really fucking
better than
don't.
I would in real life.
Yeah, if you
Oh,
put a finger with you.
Well, I was going to put the vodka
made
in this
points.
bucket, but I spilt it all over the floor. So watch out, there's vodka on the floor.
Get the
Time to mop up.
That sounds about done.
You know, I haven't made burgers in this yet. I don't think.
I think for Independence Day you could get burgers. Not the movie.
Oh, I can
There's
pick
lots
this
of
up.
orange juice.
Someone left the oven on.
He's blown up the oven.
I think that's a bit too much lemon juice. Wait, that's they're almost dead on actually.
What?
Now my fucking cod just looks like it's just yellow. Olive oil. Where's the olive oil? Because there was some ding in the goddamn bell. I was going to throw like fucking olive oil at them.
Oh God.